It's so cold outside that I had to go in and make this quick cold weather classic. This is my favorite crab spaghetti. I made this before and posted it to TikTok and Instagram. But if you're new to following me, check it out. This is a can of crab meat with a red bell pepper, our favorite seasonings, and some sauce. I guarantee you, if you're in the mood for a quick spaghetti and you don't want that heavy ground beef, try this crab spaghetti. It is my household favorite for something light and tasty. Those are shiitake mushrooms, and the mushrooms stole the show. So I used a Rinaldi's mushroom sauce with this, and it is popping. I can't wait to try it with a glass of red wine. Isn't that how you do spaghetti, Justice? With a glass of red wine? How do you like your spaghetti? Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.